Hi, this is Danny from Dynojet. Today we're going to show you how to install a PowerVision 4 on this 2020 Can-Am X3RR. To install the PowerVision 4 on this 2020 Can-Am X3RR, we're going to locate the diagnostic connector, which is up under the center front compartment. We're going to pull out our diagnostic connector and plug in the PowerVision 4 device. Now that we have the PowerVision 4 installed on the vehicle, we're going to have to key the vehicle on and start the PowerVision 4 app. Once we're in the PowerVision 4 app, we're going to go to Tunes. Because this is not a readable vehicle, we are just flashing a tune. We are going to find a tune that matches our modifications. Select the tune. Proceed to flash the tune. Now that the flash is complete, we'll go ahead and click OK and key the vehicle off.
With the PowerVision 4 device connected to your vehicle, we are able to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes as well as view live gauges on your phone in real time.
Now that we have flashed this vehicle with the PowerVision 4, we can either remove the PowerVision 4 from the vehicle or we can tuck the PowerVision 4 up under the center cover and you're ready to ride.